Aren't you tired of paying sky high prices for your favorite carne asada bowl at Chipotle? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your own restaurant quality carne asada bowl at home, loaded with juicy skirt steak, creamy guac, zesty salsa, grilled corn salsa, and a fresh pico de gallo. And guess what? It's all made with my Blaxican fajita seasoning. Now this entire recipe is already up on my website, so be sure to go check it out. It's linked in the description below. And while you're there, subscribe to my newsletter and don't miss my weekly emails. First up, we're going to marinate the skirt steak. This cut is perfect for carne asada because it's packed with flavor. Traditionally a tougher cut, this can be very tender when cooked right. Grab your Blaxican fajita seasoning. This blend is the secret weapon when you take your carne asada bowl to the next level. It's linked on my website in my store. Works well with chicken, beef, or pork, so have no fear. This is the only Taco Tuesday recipe you will need. Get your steak in the marinade and ensure it's coated well. Cover in a bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but no more than an hour. Trust me, the flavors are gonna blow your mind. Pro tip here, mix the marinade together in a bowl separately before adding the meat. This allows you to taste and adjust for the perfect flavor. Also, while chopping those veggies, just go ahead and fine dice what you need for your pico de gallo. Now while the steak is marinating, let's prep our toppings. We're making everything from scratch because homemade always tastes better, right? First, let's get the salsa going. Tomatoes, jalapenos, red onions in the food processor. Add the Blaxican to taste. About 2 tablespoons of sugar, garlic, olive oil, vinegar, and get to chopping. I'm using my Ninja Blendy food processor with the chop function, and I want a chunky salsa. Chop however you like. Taste that fresh, delicious, spicy salsa. Now, next up, we got the guacamole. Mash up your ripe avocados and squeeze of lime and shake of a Blaxican and a handful of the fresh pico de gallo. Simple, fresh, delicious. This was made in my molcajete, but a bowl will do you just fine. Now this is where we're going to fire up the grill. I'm using B&B Oaklum charcoal in the Weber Kettle 26-inch. That grill is linked in the description if you want to go check it out. Use a torch to get a bed of charcoal going and allow the grates to get hot. We want a low fire with just embers. Now for the grilled corn salsa. Char some corn on the grill, cut it off the cob, mix it with the pico, squeeze a lime, dash of the Blaxican seasoning. This salsa is sweet, smoky, spicy, and adds the perfect crunch to your bowl. Now let's get the steaks grilled. Watch your fire because the fat from the steak and the olive oil from the marinade are gonna cause some flare-ups. Make sure you're using some long tongs and heat-resistant gloves to protect yourselves at all times. You do not want a specific temperature, you're focused on building a crust with this cut. Grill for a few minutes per side. If you have massive flare-ups, flip often. Now when you got a nice crust that you're proud of and the meat doesn't feel very bouncy, you can take it to your cutting board, let that rest before you carve into it. The rule of thumb is rest as long as you have seared. I like to cube this steak up and dust it with a little bit more of the Blaxican fajita seasoning to make sure that flavor really pops. Check out this juicy, delicious bite of skirt steak. Now it's time to build your fajita bowl, and let me tell you, you're gonna start with either some plain rice or your own little cilantro lime rice. However you can make it, however you like, just get into it. You're gonna go with your corn, your pico. Black beans are a little bit of a game changer, and guess what? You do not have to pay for extra guac here. Set your bowl up however you like and enjoy. Have some friends over, family, whoever you like. So what do you think? Not only did you save money, but we also made something even better than what you'd get at the restaurant. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly videos, recipes, and cooking tips. Plus, join my newsletter for exclusive content and recipes, and don't forget to hop into the Discord community and join us as we embark on a brand new barbecue community. Oh, and if you want to get this recipe, grab your jar of the Blaxican fajita seasoning on my website. It's the key to unlocking all these amazing flavors. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. We appreciate you guys watching, and be sure to catch my live YouTube shows every Thursday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube. We'll cook, chat, and have a blast together. And until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying every bite. See you soon.